Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 3rd, 2022. If you guys saw the earnings from AMD yesterday, yes, they beat revenue, but guess what? The market still ended down yesterday, 1.73%, about 2% down yesterday on trading. Now, if the earnings for AMD beat revenue, look at how the market started out in the trading day. It started all the way up here around $63. Yeah. And it still closed down almost 2% from where the close was previously. Now, why would that happen if the earnings were pretty good? It wasn't too bad. It wasn't that negative. But why would it go down? Well, because people sold. That's it. The majority of the market participants in AMD pretty much told us what they were doing. Even though people felt that the information from the earnings was great and positive, there was still more supply or stockpile entering the market in AMD. So you guys can see I did a price prediction in AMD on October the 21st, 2022. Okay, it's right here. And I was playing the weakness to the downside in AMD. Now, there was only 2 days that we've seen the price in AMD come into our price target area, right? 2 days. Right here, the 21st, and then again the 24th, market in AMD began to rise higher. You may be saying, well, HueFin, you got your price prediction wrong. No, I don't. Okay? Because what happened on these days, I'm going to show you how the market really works. So right here, October the 25th, all the way through yesterday, the market in AMD confirmed that resistance is still coming in around $62. I'll even take it to 64. Now, is it just coincidence or is it just me? The high that came in yesterday was the same high that happened on October the 7th. Like, it's not by coincidence. It's not just by surprise. No, the market determined where the high was going to be in AMD. So rather than me having my resistance area down here around $60, it needs to be up here. Okay, that's where it needs to be. So the weakness that we are determining already on our chart in AMD is still valid from this perspective. We have 64 as resistance, and we even have a stronger area of resistance right here. And since AMD did not close above this $62 area, it tells me that the market in AMD is still weak. It tells me that my price prediction is still valid in AMD. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to extend up that resistance area. That's it. But the idea of AMD being weak, it is still valid. That's it. Yeah, there's nothing more to it. We don't need to sit down and run no 8 pillars time and time again and manipulate the numbers. We don't have to look at the books for AMD. The smart money has already done that. And apparently they don't like what they saw. Because if they did, then overwhelmingly the market in AMD would have closed higher off the earnings release. But it didn't. So how would you trade this? I'm just showing you the chart. I'm just giving you the information off of the chart. I'm not trying to convince you. I am not trying to give you no information that is my opinion. This is the chart reflecting what AMD looks like. And I think you guys can see it. The market here in AMD is in a trading range. Now, that's not positive. That's not negative. It's neutral. That's how you should see the market in AMD. Now, within this trading range, I'm still looking for price to trend down though. So the next opportunity that we will get to see if the market is still holding the trading range would be seeing the market hold support right here. Okay, we've already established where support is around 56, and I told you all that the day that I did our price prediction right there. I told you all that right here, that this is where the buyers need to confirm that they're willing to hold the price, and they did that. Okay, so that's where I'm looking for the market to go down to next. Let's look at this on a weekly chart, because you guys can see that my ultimate area is still down here around 50. Okay, $50. That's where it's at. Look at this on the 5 weeks. I'm sorry, 2 weeks. This still tells me that the weakness is still present in AMD right there. Now we got one more day and 9 hours, so we got 2 trading days left, and we can definitely see the market look different on the long-term basis. But what we have right now, look at this 5-day price bar right there. Charts don't lie. 3-day, look at that. The 3-day price chart definitely looks massively weak right here. I don't like that in terms of us looking for price to go up in AMD. I don't. So I'm going to continue with my price prediction. It's just that simple. There's nothing here for us to change. There's nothing here for us to address. The market confirmed off of the trading action yesterday that what we talked about in AMD on the 21st of October, it is still valid. So I'm just going to leave it here. Let me extend this out further though, so we can actually see this from to December. Okay, we're going to give the market in AMD this much time to confirm our price prediction. Now give me your thoughts. It's simple, it's not hard, it's not complicated. Just let me know what do you all see. Hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe to the channel, because as you guys can tell, the proof is on the charts, and I've been showing you all the proof and being fully transparent as to how we can win in stocks. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.